Welcome back to your girl's channel. This is Unice coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, girl, I am coming to y'all super natural today, okay? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this V-part wig with a little bit of leave out, just edges, guys, just edges for the leave out, okay? Instead of doing like a regular V-part where it's like you have a little bit of the leave out on the part, I decided to do like a no part look. I think it turned out super well. It's like very natural. It's still just super quick and easy to do. This is still like a plop on wigs where you can just plop on it and do whatever. I like to get acquainted with you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug and we are just going to roll into this video. Girl, if you don't already know, we do give hugs around this mug. Don't mind Sandy back there, girl. She just be chilling. She been there for a good little minute. She tired. It's hot outside, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Unice coming to you today with another video, girl. Okay, so today's video I am going to install a wig, guys, but I'm gonna do it totally different than what I've ever done on my hair before. My natural hair is in a low bun, but I don't have like super thick hair, so honestly I am just going to literally keep my hair just like this. All right, this wig is from Unice hair, guys. You know I've been working with Unice hair forever. This is the bag that the wig came in, and it has like, it's like a V-part wig. So the point of this wig is to not have to have leave out, or only have like a little bit of leave out. So I am going to try this wig two different ways. I want to see if I can take a little bit of my leave out right here, just to see if it'll blend together. But guys, I really want to see if this is one of those quick like pop on wigs that I don't have to like do literally anything to, okay? You know, it's like super curly right now, so I am going to kind of like wet it really good, so that way the curls can relax. Guys, let me go ahead and wet this wig and I will be back. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. We're gonna do a no leave out first and just see. No braids, no leave out, just slick hair, honey, and just like see. I wonder if I could put like, I don't know, I'm gonna see if it will like stick with just this, okay? Play with the curls a little bit, get some of that really, you know, serious like definition out of it first, you know, so it don't look so like wiggy. We're going to utilize all these combs and all of that and just like see. Alright, so we're going to utilize this comb right here first and just like see. Okay, let's go with the first comb. Alright, let's go with the second comb. All right, third comb. All right, fourth comb. That didn't really click in. Okay, now these two kind of stuck because I have like that got to be glue cream in like my edges. So I feel like that's kind of why that stuck. Okay. So this is how we looking, right? Looking real crazy, real tacky. So if we like tease it a little bit and like kind of, oh guys, I bet I can like put like a bobby pin right here and bring them all close together and like have it blend in like that, you know? Let's just kind of like, you know, like tease it a little bit. Let me get a better comb. Let me try a brush. Just like tease the roots a little bit. Bring it towards the middle. Okay, y'all, that is actually looking really bad, like a lot better, right? Kind of cover it up like that. Let me check and see how this looks. It's a no. So I'm gonna take this off. Ooh. I'm literally just trying to find the most easiest way to do all this, because I think I'm gonna wear it like a flip over. I feel like that'll be a little different. A really loose bun, so it could be like super like flat. And so I'm just going to, just gonna kind of wet this a little bit, because I had got to be glue on. Yeah, wet this. All right, so that's that. All right, that's that. I'm actually going to put some product on it, so I'm going to use this Afro Haunted leave-in conditioner, honey. All right, it needs some love. We are going to, even though it's like I said, it's a U-part wig, we are going to put it as like one of these type wigs. Like, I'm going to split it all the way. Ouch. Ouch. And just kind of all right. And just kind of clip it, you know, clip it behind. Ouch. All right. And just kind of throw that over. Okay. I'm just going to kind of like brush it into this wig for blending purposes. Okay, all right, okay. Yeah. Oh. All right. Yes. Okay. That looks okay. That looks like we're getting somewhere. Okay, so guys, you see that? So you see how I kind of got that blended in, all right? Yeah, this is it. Wow. Look at that. And I wonder if I can like switch it to the other side. Yeah, okay. We're super cute. Yeah, I really like this side more. I think it got more leave out, so it just kind of works better. So, so we didn't do the normal V part with the little leave out in the middle. No, baby, we are doing the no part look, okay? So cute. I'm so glad that I decided to do this, because I think this blends in a lot better, honestly. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was like kind of all over the place, but we had to figure out what we wanted to do. Like what were we going for? What look were we going for? Okay, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I convinced you guys to buy this wig, because just start off like me, girl. Just start off how the end is, because what was I doing trying to figure out how to do it, baby, without with being lazy? Like, girl, it doesn't work. So I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Peace.